Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 1. Given here are some figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Classify each of them on the basis of the following, that is simple curve. Here you see number 1 on the basis of simple curves. On the basis of simple curves, here you see number 1 simple curves. First of all, we will find which are simple curves. Simple curves. Simple curves. Here you see number 1 is a simple curve. If we start from here, we'll go here, come again here, and again come here. That is, it is a simple curve. That is question. So 1 is simple curves. Number 2, here you see, if we start from here, this is also a simple curve. That is 2 is also a simple curve. 3, here you see, if we draw this one, and without lifting we cannot draw this one. That is, this is not a simple curve, right? Here you see, this is cross here, it crosses itself, therefore this is not a simple curve. If we start from here, and again comes to this point, that means 5 is also a simple curve. Here if we start from here and comes again here, that this is also a simple curve. And if here you see 7, we start from here, comes here, this is also a simple curve. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 are simple curves. 8, this is not a simple curve, right? Therefore 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 are simple curves, right? Now B is simple closed curve. B, simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Let's see 1, it is there is no end point here, therefore it is a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Simple closed curve is 1. If we consider 2, it is also a simple closed curve because it has no endpoints. 5, you see this one, this has no endpoints. This is also a simple closed curve. 5, and here also is 6. 6, this one, there is no endpoint here also. Therefore 1 to 5, 6 has also simple closed curves. And 7, here also this is closed. There is no endpoints. Therefore 1 to 5, 6, 7 are simple closed curves. This is polygon. Polygon. C is polygon. Polygon. Here you see, the polygon should be closed and simple figure. Here you see, this is a simple figure. It is also closed. Therefore, it is a polygon. Number 1 is polygon. And number 2, here you see, these are all made up of line segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also all are made up of line segment 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also closed. Therefore, it is a polygon. The necessary factor to be a polygon is should be all these are should be line segment, and also the figure should be closed, right? Therefore, 1 and 2 are polygons. This is not a polygon. This is not a polygon. This is not a polygon. It has curved lines. Therefore, it is not a polygon. It has curved lines. It has a curved lines, not a polygon. This is also not a polygon. The polygon is 1 and 2. Number is convex polygon. Convex. Convex polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon. Now you see, polygon is 1 and 2. If we draw the diagonals, here you see, if we draw the diagonal, here see, if we draw the diagonal, this one and this one, all the diagonals are within the figure, right? The interior of the figure. Therefore, this is convex polygon. The convex polygon is 2, right? Now, E is concave polygon, concave polygon. Now, if you draw the diagonals here, you see the diagonals is here, right? That this diagonal is exterior of the figure, right? Exterior of the figure. Therefore, if the diagonal is exterior of the figure, it is a concave polygon, right? Therefore, number 1 is the concave polygon, right? Number 1 is the concave polygon. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.